Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Club, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be here today.
It is. How are you today, Paul?
I am doing great, thank you. I have my coffee and the sun is shining.
Oh, wonderful. I am very happy too.
You are always happy, Emily. It's good to be here with you and everyone listening.
It is, and we are so happy you are all here with us.
Yes, but wait, Emily, before we start our chat, we have a small favor to ask.
Oh, yes, a very important favor. Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, English Club.
Yes, please do. And if you like our podcast, please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
Yes, and if you can, please share it with your friends and family. It helps our channel grow, and we can make more podcasts for you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Okay, Paul, so what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is just talking.
Just talking?
Yes, like friends. This is daily English conversation practice. We can talk about our weekend.
Ah, a chat. I love this. This is real English.
Yes. So, Emily, how was your weekend?
My weekend? It was okay. Just okay. Not great.
Well, Saturday was a little difficult.
Oh no. Difficult? Why? What happened?
Well, I lost my keys.
Oh no. You lost your keys?
Yes, my keys. My car keys and my house keys. All my keys.
Paul, that is not good. Where did you lose them?
I did not know. That was the problem.
Oh dear. So what did you do?
I looked. I looked everywhere.
Where did you look?
Well, first I looked on the table.
Okay. The table. Were they there?
No, no keys. Then I looked in my pockets, my pants pockets, no keys. Then I looked in my coat pockets, no keys.
Oh no.
I was like, where are my keys?
I am sure you were worried.
I was. I looked in my bag, my work bag, no keys.
Oh, Paul.
I looked in the kitchen. I looked in the bathroom.
In the bathroom?
Yes, maybe, but no keys.
So where were they? Did you find them?
Yes, I found them.
Phew, good. Where?
It is very funny.
Tell me they were in the refrigerator.
The refrigerator. Yes.
No, why?
I don't know. I came home. I had milk. I had my keys. I put the milk in the refrigerator, and I put my keys in the refrigerator too.
Oh, Paul, that is so funny.
Yes, I looked for 1 hour.
1 hour. Oh no.
And my keys were very cold.
Your cold keys.
Yes, so that was my Saturday.
Well, I am very happy you found your keys.
Me too, me too.
That is a great story. So what about you, Emily? How was your weekend? Was it better than my weekend?
Yes, I think so. I did not lose my keys. Good.
My weekend was very nice, thank you.
What did you do?
I visited my family on Saturday.
Oh, that is lovely. Your mom and dad?
Yes, my mom and dad and my sister.
You have a sister?
Yes, my sister Anna. She is very fun.
That is wonderful.
We cooked lunch together.
Ugh, cooking. I like cooking. What did you make?
We made pasta.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Me too. It is my favorite food.
What kind of pasta?
Pasta with tomatoes, a big red sauce, and lots of cheese.
Cheese. The best part.
Yes, it was delicious. We ate, we talked, and we laughed.
That sounds perfect.
Yes, it was a happy day.
So, what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was quiet. I stayed home, read a book, and cleaned my apartment.
That is nice. I watched a movie about a big, funny talking dog.
A talking dog? I love that.
It was silly, but very funny.
Do you have a dog, Paul?
No, but I have a cat. His name is Leo.
Oh, Leo the cat.
Yes, he's all black with green eyes. Very lazy.
All cats are lazy.
True, but I love him. What about you?
I don't have pets, but I have plants. Many plants.
A jungle.
Yes, I talk to them every Sunday when I give them water.
That's adorable.
Thank you. So that was our weekend. What about next weekend, Paul?
I have to go shopping. My friend is getting married, so I need a new dress.
A dress. Oh, fun. What color?
Maybe blue. I like blue.
Blue is beautiful. I hope you find a perfect one.
Thank you. Wow, Emily, we talked a lot today.
Yes? Time flies when you're having fun.
It does. This was a great chat.
It was. I liked hearing about your cold keys and your cat.
And I liked hearing about your plants and pasta.
Well, that's all for today's episode. Thank you all so much for listening.
This is real daily English conversation.
It is. And don't forget to subscribe to English Club.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
And please tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend?
Did you cook, read, or maybe lose your keys?
We love reading your comments.
Thank you, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.